what are we calling this thing? Lawnmower. Perfect. Hey guys, what's up? Keith Go here, hanging out in our backyard studio bench today. Out here in the wonderful farm, ProNoobRC ranch, if you would. Anyhow, we got some problems with some flooding over there. That whole side of the yard is underwater, so we came up with this little dude to actually pull behind our Scx6. Pretty simple design. We actually just unbolted the front axle because we wanted to make this thing not a permanent modification. This was a $50 lawnmower off of like Kijiji or Craigslist or whatever you guys are using. It's cheap. We unbolted this, took this off, bolted a couple of casters on. We only actually had to drill 2 holes, and this will still go back on no problem. The handlebars and everything are sitting over here. We could throw those back on no problem another time. But anyhow, we made a hitch, a couple of casters, a couple little spray guards, and a hitch so we could pull behind the mower. Took the bar off. We do have a bag for the back, but with everything being so wet and swampy, we're just running it with the backside open and letting it just chaff out on the ground. And we'll come back, and when it dries, we'll run it over the bag or pick it up. I went with about a 24-inch hitch on it. We welded the ends on that all the way around so it's nice and strong. And surprisingly, the Scx6 actually pulls it pretty good. Just a fun little project, something to throw together, guys. Enough talking about this. We're going to throw it in the ground and go cut some grass. Okay guys, there you go. As you can see, the setup worked fantastic with the Axial Scx6. We hooked it up with the Power Hobbies Pinto style hitch. Works fantastic. She did a little bit of bending here and there from all the torquing and twisting, but we welded this piece all the way around so that can bend if it breaks off. We'll drill another hole and fix that. More worked fantastic. We opened the back up so we can just shoot the chaff out there. We added these rubber flaps to keep the spray off the back of the truck. As you can see, it looks fantastic. If you've seen in the video that we posted up on the short earlier, we didn't have the flaps on and we had the back door closed, and this thing just got hammered with everything spraying out of the front. It was just disgusting. I walked it up, cleaned it up, but anyway, the rubber flaps, the open door on the back, just let it go, works good. We do have the bag. We can throw the bag on it, but it's just more weight for this poor guy to carry. We ran the full pack through it. The radio says we got a little bit of battery juice left. Motor got a little bit warmer today. We were actually running in the other video the TSL, so they had more slip. We're running the Hyraxes today with a lot more grip actually in the grass and the mud and stuff like that. So it got a little bit warmer. Nothing to worry about, nothing burnt up, nothing caught on fire, so we're good to go. We're gonna keep going, have some fun. We might actually just build a dedicated rig for this unit with super low gearing and just send it from there. So anyhow, see you guys next week, another video. Sure.